So Wick has blinded me about 47 times with the damn headlight. So I said, I'm going to get my phone and we'll light it up together. So
I'm thinking that because this connection is on that side, that maybe, well, no, we can't rotate the motor 90 degrees. Never mind, it's got to go like this.
Yeah, but look, you can just go. Oh, sorry, shitty video with my hand. Look, it'll magically work.
That'll work, okay.
I solved our problem.
I got to get the screw-on connector that's right up against here. That'll have to screw on. So
Yeah.
I might have to screw that on before. This really doesn't feel good on my head.
Oh, the
metal
jack pillow?
Yeah. All right, so where we are is
We're good. I mean, we should be bitching. We just gotta.
Is all your stuff off the top?
Oh, let me pull off my shit. Okay, go ahead. There we go. Antenna fun time with Wick. Oh shit! I almost fell.
So I think we can screw it together. It should be pretty close to where the other screw
This is what it looks like when you piss the mafia off.
Yeah, seriously.
Jesus. Well, that's your exercise for the day.
Yeah. Okay.
All right, Wick's being gentle.
Do you feel like I moved it off? The cover came off.
Well, that's cute.
That's happened before.
Oh, as long as it's happened before.
We might have to glue it on.
Okay, careful.
Did it feel like it moved? Yeah, it looked like it moved. I moved to the bottom of the hole at least.
Yeah, we just want to get it down a hair because it's going to help us with our threads.
You almost don't even need to screw that thing, but I guess we should.
Never hurts to screw. Wait a minute. Sometimes it does. Your wallet, etc.
I call that good, huh?
Yeah, I think we should run it. So we'll gently drill our holes. Keyword on gently, right, Wick?
Gently. Gently, and let's hope that we got the right size drill bit. I think we could probably have to go to our stubbies, because I think that's the only set of...
I've got a full set of those in my truck.
There's a pretty full set over here, maybe?
Yeah, those are awesome. Got our new holes drilled. Our screws are in. Wick, are you ready?
Oh, hey, before you screw them all in, just a little ground doohickey on.
Well,
I'm ready.
better fucking late than never, but...
Yeah. Now you got all three of them screwed in?
Yeah, now they're all in and snug. I'll just undo. Which one would you like?
Let's think about this for a second. So it's going to sit in the car like this. Probably this one, I think, because it's got to go up like that.
Yeah. So we will pull it out. Wick touched it up. Looks good. Getting ready to do our mounts. Pretty it up. Then our next step's going to be in here. We're going to do our antenna too. Wick's got food.
Food.
ET phone home.
Yeah.
I'm surprised you're not one of the people that wears like a thong on his head. Have you seen that?
No.
Oh, I got to show you that at lunch.
A bomb?
A thong. A woman's thong is a face mask.
Oh, I saw that video. Yeah.
We should do that.
That would be pretty funny.
Anyways, our randomness while we're...
Are you videoing?
Oh yeah, that was funny as hell.
A good video. Another in a series of good videos.
Yeah, people need to start watching these.
All right, I'm not